Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 in here, and today you will learn about the best video dimensions to post up for your Etsy listings. After all, Etsy swears by this feature that it will increase your chance of getting in front of the potential customers you want to reach, as opposed to the listings that don't have a video. So currently we're using a video that's in vertical style. So once you selected the video that you'd like, click on the video itself on the timeline, and then at the bottom scroll towards the left and find something called format. In here, as you can see on the format page, it has highlighted fit as one of the options. So what that means is that it fits the screen, the current screen, and it's in vertical. The shape is in vertical, or at least the size. Now we'd like to change it to two of the options that we've got, either 4:3 or 1:1. We're going to be trying 3 different methods in here, and I'll show you guys the result as we go. So first of all, let's select 4:3, which I think is the closest one, and expand the screen. And then let's see this on the Etsy listings to see if it's correct. Okay, let's export it with 1080p, which is required. Right, so as you can see, it has declined it, and let's try the second method. So let's try the second method. And here I've selected the option for 1:1, and then I go ahead and adjust the screen a bit. Of course, export it the same way as before. And on the Etsy listing, much to my surprise, it has declined it again. Right, so let's look at these outcomes in much greater detail. On the left hand side, you can see the outcome for the first video. It's saying that your video resolution is 640 pixels by 480 pixels, right? So we don't know that as we are trying to adjust the size of the video. Then at the bottom, it says it needs to be at least 720p by 720p pixels, and then give it another go. And same goes to the right hand side screenshot, which was for the second upload. It's given us a different result. It's saying that your resolution is 640 by 640 pixels, which obviously is not still right. And then it says it needs to be, the same as 720p by 720p. Right, but then on the left side of both of the screenshots, as you can see, it says that adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim for 1080p or higher, which we have already been doing, but it hasn't given us the correct result. Right, so this time, which is the third time round, I'm just going to try to not keep it as 1080p, but as I'm exporting it, I'm going to change it to 720p and see what happens. This is going to be our last try. Right, so okay. This time, again, I'm just going to go back to the previous settings, which was 4:3, and then adjust the size of the screen a bit more so it fills the whole screen. At the top, I'm not going to click on export just yet, but click on where it says 1080p. That's the button. Under the option for resolution, I want to scale this down from 1080p to 720p. And then click on export. Let's again now go onto the Etsy listing and try to upload it. Hooray! It has accepted it this time, and this is the best setting that you can set it to before uploading it onto your listings. Right, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on another video. Take care, bye!